now to make sure you're all set and ready, when I say hi, you say hello. Hi!
Hello!
How about on this side? Hi!
Hello!
Alright, what an amazing energy now. Did you see our group of pigeons? Well, did you know that pigeons can remember places and can find their way back home no matter how far they will go? It is because pigeons we use as messengers to carry out messages to our friends, families, and loved ones. Now, ladies and gentlemen, please sit back, relax, and enjoy as our fine feathered friends will showcase their natural behaviors, invite guest participation, and share important environmental message. But let me ask you something. Are you ready to be amazed to our fine feathered friends? Alright, now let's get this show started. Now to start off, let me call my partner here on stage, Miss Debbie, together with our blue and gold mahoney, Amico. Now Amico originates in South America, but